Would you be willing to give up the driver's seat in the tractor to automated technology? It's a concept that has been floating around the ag industry for a few years. Kinze Manufacturing is putting that concept into practice. With me today is Brian McKown to tell us more. Brian, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
So tell us, what is Kinze up to when it comes to autonomous?
Really, it's just marrying some common technologies that are available even in agriculture today with some software programming. So we took what's readily available. Commonplace in agriculture today is auto steer using GPS and RTK technology. So that's one of the building blocks of it. Machine automation is very common today in agricultural products, such as variable rate control, turning clutches on and off, going through waterways based on where you're at in the field, based on the GPS signal. So those two things are already there, and just expanding upon the machine control to control the entire piece of equipment. The third thing that we looked at was sensing technology that's out there today, such as many of us have cars that when we put it in reverse have sensors on the back bumper that tell us when we're getting too close to something. So there's a lot of sensing technology out there that we married with it. And then lastly, we went and found some really smart guys from J-Bridge Robotics to help us marry all of that technology with our mechanical capabilities that we have.
So Brian, break down for us how this technology works.
The Kinze Autonomous Cart is capable of autonomously carrying out all the workflow required for grain harvesting and to support the combine in that process. It's able to always know where that combine is in the field and seek that combine out on command. When the combine operator is ready to offload, the cart will position itself next to the combine and let the combine operator offload. The combine operator that can then instruct the cart to either idle, follow, offload, or go back to a predetermined staging area at the edge of the field somewhere that's convenient for offloading into the road transport vehicle. This is a product of our Kinze Autonomy project. And the goal of the Kinze Autonomy project really was to bring autonomy to the row crop producer. And when I say autonomy, this is a driverless tractor.
Right.
This is the equipment controlling, driving the tractor for field operations. And so our autonomy project looked at, we want to bring autonomy to everything from planting, nourishing, maintaining, and harvesting row crop grains for the producer.
One of the concerns about being autonomous in the field is safety. Talk about what safety measures Kinze has put into place.
Well, first and foremost, Laurie, our product is designed to work in the field only with field operations. It's not designed to be used on the public highway. So just by following that guideline alone is a huge step towards that. Lastly, we did a lot of testing in the laboratory and then ultimately took that to the field as safety was one of our primary focuses with an autonomous project. And we feel very comfortable with where we're at with our sensing technology and its ability to detect obstacles in the field.
Okay, great. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
And they're not done. Stay tuned because there are a lot more great things coming from Kinze